Hey friend, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate. In this video, we're going to talk about the word credible. We're going to answer two important questions. What does credible mean, and how do we pronounce the word credible? Hey, let's get started and jump right in. The word credible is an adjective, so it means that it describes a noun. Credible means believable. Credible means believable. So let's practice with some example sentences so we can better understand the meaning of the word credible. Although the criminal appeared credible, the investigators proved that he had lied. Although the criminal appeared credible or believable, the investigators proved that he had lied. Actors and actresses continue to practice so that they appear credible on stage. Actors and actresses continue to practice so that they appear credible or believable on stage. Do you like learning new words? If so, click that like button. That helps me out a lot so I can help you and other people learn new English words. Let's check out the words at the bottom of the screen, which show how many syllables are in the word credible and the phonetic spelling of the word credible. When learning a new word, we want to know what the word means, but we also want to know how to pronounce the word. So let's practice pronunciation together. Credible. 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 Hey friends, I hope you find me credible or believable and that you want to watch more of my videos. I hope that I'm helping you learn English better. So check out these recommended videos and we can continue to learn English together and keep practicing new words.